Demo Day is an important step because it's a final element of their journey with Hexagon for the last few weeks, and they're here to demonstrate what is the fit with Hexagon, what is their fit, how they're planning to scale their business so that we can now carry the journey further past 6 Sense.
The startups felt that they are part of the Hexagon team, and I think and vice versa. We have been sharing a lot, we have been learning a lot. I am really super excited, very, very happy with what we have been achieving, and we saw actually a very nice progression week after week, and this is just the start of, I am pretty sure, a long and exciting journey with these startups.
If anybody's got a chance to get into this program, I think they should take advantage of it. The people have been great, the guidance has been very helpful. I've spent a lot of time doing these types of activities. I've learned quite a bit, even based on my experience from the teams we've been able to interact with. So, great program.
Very good experience. I'm learning a lot of things about how can we present the company, pitch the company to investors and things like that. For me, it's first time that I'm pitching to investors, and it's very, very richness.
Right from the beginning, there was a very, very strong focus on building a network, so between the different startups, but also in between Hexagon, and this is something that was of high value for us as ICANN Pro.
Yeah, I would definitely advise other startups to apply for 6 Sense. Again, it's been a wonderful process. We've gotten great feedback, great support. I think we've learned a lot about our company and our own business and how to message it better. So it's been a tremendous opportunity, I think.
I would say that the biggest difference is how the team members of Hexagon 6 Sense have been super accessible and willing to help, very close to us, hearing us, listening to what we were demanding. So I'm pretty happy with that. It's not, we are not just a kind of number. We are just the company helping, very nice contacts and interactions. So.
Honestly, it's been incredible. The support by Hexagon has been incredible. From senior management to the resources given to us, we're really able to pull something off, which is special.
Yeah, we just got announced co-winners of the first cohort of the 6 Sense program, so we're just really honored to be part of the program. It's been a great experience. We intend to continue the relationship with Hexagon, and hopefully that'll allow us to scale, get in front of new customers, and just grow the business. Honestly, I'm just excited to get back to work.
It's been a fantastic day. The startups have been utterly brilliant. I think Hexagon has learned as much from this process already as hopefully the startups have. It's the beginning of the journey. I like to say it's the end of the beginning. Let's see where we can take this going forward.
I think we can also move 6 Sense to become not only impactful within discrete manufacturing, which is roughly 40% of what Hexagon does, but we probably would want, if not the next cohort, maybe next year, 6 Sense embraced by a multiplicity of partners. So there's no reason why this should be Hexagon only. We would love to work with customers, partners, to really scale up the impact that we can have, both in recruiting and in supporting these companies being successful.